Catherine T. Martin, Esquire, Managing Attorney, Neighborhood Legal Services Association. Kathy Martin's contributions to Neighborhood Legal Services Association and its clients have been numerous and varied. She has brought to bear a combination of intelligence, commitment to the needs of the poor, and hard work in the many roles she has undertaken throughout her career at NLSA. Kathy expertly balances her supervisory role as a managing attorney with an active consumer law caseload. Each academic year, she mentors 2 law students in a bankruptcy training program that she created. Her work with students further extends to the recruitment and interviewing of potential interns for NLSA's summer internship program. A progressive manager, Kathy is always looking to improve program operations. She recently proposed and planned a management retreat, which has led to many follow-up sessions and the intensive review of management and case handling procedures, all in efforts to improve the delivery of legal services to clients. Kathy Martin's expertise in the consumer law area is recognized in and out of the legal services community. She developed the chapter on judgment execution in the Pennsylvania Consumer Law Book. She teaches classes at the law schools of both the University of Pittsburgh and Duquesne University, and she participates as a trainer in numerous seminars for attorneys. Recently, Kathy persuaded the National Consumer Law Conference to hold a highly desired foreclosure training event in Pittsburgh, attracting attorneys from across the country. Martin was also an integral member of a team that worked to implement Allegheny County's Foreclosure Conciliation Project, a new program aimed at keeping people in their homes. The project also changes the way foreclosure cases are handled in the county. It was ordered by the court as a way to give pressured homeowners more time to seek counseling and work out an agreement with their lender. Although she specializes in consumer law, Kathy's early work at NLSA provides a broad foundation in poverty law, a bedrock that gives her the ability to connect her current work in consumer law with other areas of need. Last year, Kathy's recognition that many victims of domestic violence are often placed in a position of economic chaos and uncertainty, which compounds the abuse situation, prompted her to develop a consumer law education program geared specifically to survivors of domestic violence. Kathy believes, however, that her most valuable contribution to NLSA and other legal aid programs in the Western Pennsylvania District of the United States Bankruptcy Court was her preparation of her colleagues for the complex changes in bankruptcy law passed a few years ago. She spent many after-work hours reading everything that she could, and then organized this information into an understandable format for her colleagues. She assembled an electronic library of these resources, which she continues to maintain. Kathy quickly became a mentor for attorneys by helping them navigate their way through the complexities and changes in the new bankruptcy procedures. Kathy's colleagues may argue that her most valuable contribution to the organization was as the founding mother of NLSA's Soup Club, or her status as NLSA's in-house grammarian. For her excellence in consumer advocacy and her leadership in legal services, the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network is pleased to honor Kathy Martin with the 2009 Excellence Award. Kathy Martin was nominated for the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network Excellence Award by Barbara Kern, a fellow managing attorney at NLSA.